Good morning student. Today we are going to see exercise 11.1 question number 5. The area of square part is the same as the rectangular part. If the side of the square part is 60 meter and the length of rectangular part it is 90 meter, find the width or breadth of that rectangular part. What is given in a condition? Area of rectangular part is equal to area of square part, right? And the side of square part, the measurement is given 60 meter and the length of rectangular part and its measurement is 90 meter. And what we have to find here? We have to find breadth of the rectangular part. So yeah, since the breadth of rectangular part we have to assume that is b meter. Then since the area of square part is equal to area of rectangular part, and the formula to calculate the area of square part, it is side into side is equal to what? Area of rectangular part, that is length multiplied by breadth. Yeah. So put the values here. 60 multiplied by 60 is equal to 90 multiplied by b. B means what here? Breadth, which we have to find out. So obviously breadth is equal to what? 60 multiplied by 60 upon this 90. Now we can cut the zeros. So 60 multiplied by 60, you will get a 360 as a product and divide by 9. So you will get answer as a 40 meter. That means the breadth of the rectangular part, that is 40 meter, and this is the final answer. Now the next question, question number 6. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. What is the shape of? A wire is in the shape of rectangle and its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of square, first that bent into the rectangular shape and again it bent into square shape, then what will be the measures of each side? Also we have to find the shape, which shape encloses more area. So it's a very simple. Length of rectangle it is given 40 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter. Yes. Now since the same length of wire is used to bend rectangle as well as square, right? Now first we'll find the perimeter of square is equal to what? Perimeter of rectangle, obviously. So formula to calculate perimeter of square, it is 4 multiplied by side is equal to what? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. And we know the length, that is 40 centimeter plus breadth is 22 centimeter. Yeah. So solve this bracket first. 40 plus 20 you will get a 62. When you multiply 62 by 2 you will get an answer as 124. That means 4 multiplied by side is equal to 124. What we have to find here? We have to find the side. So obviously 124 divided by 4 you will get answer as a 31. So the length of side is 31 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of square as well as area of rectangle. So formula to calculate area of square, it is side multiplied by side and side is 31 centimeter multiplied by 31. You will get an answer as 961 centimeter square. That means the wire which encloses or the wire which is bent into the square, the area occupied by that wire, it is 961 centimeter square shape. Now we'll find the area of rectangle. So it's the length multiplied by breadth. You know the length. 40 multiplied by 22. You will get an answer as a 880 centimeter square. That means once the wire bent into the rectangular shape, the area covers by that wire, it is 880 centimeter square. Right? That means when wire bent into the square shape, it covers the area 961 centimeter. And same wire, when it is bent into the rectangular shape, it covers the area 880 centimeter square. Now tell me, which area is bigger here? 961 centimeter. That means of course the figure square encloses, covers the more area as compared the figure which covers the rectangle. Yes, this is the final answer for this question. Now we'll see the next question. Now we'll see the question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Okay, that means length of door and width of door, that is given. The length of wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. here length of wall is given, that is 4.5 meter. Yes, breadth of wall, that is also given, that is 3.6 meter. Suppose this is the wall, consider this one is the wall and this one is the door. That means this door is fitted in this wall. Okay, and what we have to find here, we have to find cost of whitewash for this area. So what we have to do here, first we need to find the area of this wall, right, and then area of this door. Then we have to find the area for the whitewash. So what we have to do here, we have to subtract this much area of door from this total area. Yes, and then finally we have to find cost of whitewash for this total area. The cost is given what, rupees 20 per meter square. So let's see. So first we'll find the area of wall, that is length multiplied by breadth. So it's a 4.5 meter multiplied by 3.6. Then you will get answer as a 16.2 meter square. This is what area of wall. Now also they have given the length of door. Yes, that is 2 meter and breadth of door, that is 1 meter. Now we'll find the area of door first. The area of door is equal to what? 2 meter multiplied by 1 meter. So it's a 2 meter square. This is the area of door. Now we'll find the area of door is equal to what? It's a 2 meter square. Now area of wall for whitewash. So it's obviously total area of wall minus area of door. So total area is what? 16.2 meter square and the area of this door is 2 meter square. Then what is the answer here final? 14.2 meter square. This is the total area which we have to use for whitewash. Yes. Now the rate of whitewash of the all, that is given rupees 20 per meter square. So the total area which we got here, that is 14.2. The cost of whitewashing is for the 14.2 meter square area is equal to what? 14.2 multiplied by what? Rupees 20. So you will get the answer as rupees 284.0, means 284 rupees. This is the cost which is required to whitewash for this area. Yes, or we can say the for this wall. So what we'll do here, today we'll stop here. Question number 7 will be homework for you. In this way today we have completed exercise 11.1. So thank you and have a nice day.